This is shuttle launch control at T-minus 3 hours and holding. We're just about 38 minutes away from coming out of this planned 3-hour built-in hold. It's been a 2-hour hold, during which a number of activities have taken place. This is a traditional crew breakfast. All of them have nicknames on this particular flight. Bob Crippen, just called Crip, and Dick Scobie called Dick. Terry Hart, TJ. Terry will be operating the arm that brings the SMM back, and George Pinky Nelson and Ox Van Hoften will be going out in the manned maneuvering units. And the flight crew for 41C just coming out of their quarters at the crew quarters down at the ONC building. Bob Crippen waved to the camera, followed by Ox Van Hoften, Dick Scobie, the pilot for this mission, Pinky Nelson, mission specialist, followed by George Abbey and Terry Hart. It takes about 10 minutes for the ride out to the pad. Bob Crippen and Ox Van Hoften leading the group out, followed by Dick Scobie with 11:10. We are go for main engine start. 8, 7, 6. We have main engine start. 3, 2, 1. Solid motor ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of Challenger and the first flight to repair a satellite in space. We have cleared the tower.
Velocity. All throttles back.
Houston, go at throttle up.
All throttles back up to 104% of rated thrust. Altitude 10.5 nautical miles. Velocity 3,200 feet per second. Distance downrange 7 nautical miles. Engine performance continues nominal. APU speeds, temperatures, and pressures all look good. Velocity 4,000 feet per second. Altitude 16 nautical miles. Distance downrange 11 nautical miles. Standing by for a chamber pressure call, which will be the precursor of solid motor separation.
Roger. Roger, separation. Looks good.
Nominal separation of the solid rocket motors. Guidance has converged as planned, and main engine performance still looks good. First stage performance called out as being...
Roger, Houston. First stage performance, low.
Roger, low first stage. That call indicating to the crew that subsequent calls may be a little bit later than initially programmed. Main engine performance still nominal. Pressures, temperatures are well within nominal constraints.
Challenger, Houston, 2-engine TOW capability.
Roger, TOW. That call advising the crew that if one main engine should fail, the Challenger can still make its transatlantic abort site to Dakar Airport at Senegal on the west coast of Africa. Engine performance still flawless. pressures, temperatures, and speeds are right on the mark. Challenger on course and on time. Flight Director Gary Cohen getting a status report from all positions in the mission control room. All console positions report go. Challenger on course and on time. Velocity 7,000 feet per second. Altitude 54 nautical miles. Distance downrange 90 nautical miles.
Challenger Houston, OMS 1 is not required. APU shutdown on time.
Roger, understand. OMS 1 not required. APU shutdown on time.
Challenger Houston, we're planning on sending you a weather message at Ascension. Is the teleprinter configured?
You guys on you and everybody saw that the IMS checkout went super, and TJ is en route to do the EIS checkout.
Roger, Crip, copy that, and we've all got our guesses.
Okay, 5-minute check was good on the EIS indicators. We're going to LDF deploy.
Copy that.
And Houston Challenger, it's okay if you steal the KU band antenna?
Roger, that's firm. It's all yours.
Okay.
Thanks for all the good picks.
Okay, guys, we're going to give you a little picture of the flight deck camera on boss's orders here, and, well, we'll rewind the tape. It'll take just a second.
Okay, Dick, got a good picture of you there.
That's what I was afraid of.
And we've got all that we need, whatever you'd like to show us. If we've got probably KU for another 10 or 15 minutes if you want to let it run, or you can turn it off.
Okay, you guys can just have the flight deck and mid deck and do what you like with them.
Okay, thank you, Sco.
Or any other camera, for that matter. Obviously, they're ready if all they got to do is play catch.